Today at Automotive Passion, we will be fitting our arch guards to the latest BMW G90 M5. Firstly, we are going to go ahead and remove the two pull rivet plugs on the G90 using a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool. We are able to slowly pry the plug towards yourself on each corner until you are able to release the plug. Next, we are going to take the arch guard and slide it up behind the plastic arch liner to mount it into place. The arch guards have been made adjustable so that they can be slid in and out of the arch for your desired fitment and how much you would like them to protrude. Using the new pull rivet plugs supplied with the kit from AP, we are able to slot them into the original mounting point hole locations. Recommend going ahead and mounting the top plug first, along with the lower plug to follow. Once you are happy with the positioning and how much you would like them to protrude, make sure to press the arch liner tightly against the car before going ahead with the plastic pull rivet plug tool and securing them in place. The first press of the gun will be securing them up against the arch, and the next press of the gun will be to cut off the pin itself.